everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Fenty foundation, the Eaze. Well, it's more of a skin tint. It is called the Eaze Skin Tint by Fenty. Here it is. I am so excited to be trying this out for y'all because I love Fenty, and honestly I'm not really into foundation. I prefer more of a skin tint or just nothing anyway, so I'm really excited that she came out with a skin tint formula. I do have her foundation. That's like the only foundation I wear, so I'm so excited to try this out. But before we get started, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to follow me on my socials. I do post there. Hey everybody, okay, so we are going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Eaze Skin Tint. I'm so excited for this because I love skin tints. I love Fenty Beauty. My face is basically just moisturized, and I also have a little bit of concealer on. So I got the shade 9, so you can use me as a shade reference. There is lighting, so it's probably a little lighter than in actual life, in real life. So just beware of that. Let's see, I got matched at Sephora. You actually can't sample anything right now, so the lady had to sample me, so I hope she was right with this shade. It looks pretty light, but I think it'll match. Hopefully it oxidizes a bit and melts into my skin color. So there's only 25 shades of these skin tints because supposedly you can find your match, your Fenty foundation match, in this skin tint. So that's a plus. It should be all good to go. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I love this packaging. Her packaging is so sleek. It just feels like matte. It's plastic, but it just feels really nice. Okay, so this is my skin close up. Let's see if the drop can cover these pimples I got going on and a little bit of redness that I have on my cheeks. Let's see if the skin tint covers that up. This was $30. It came out to $29 with tax. I think it's like $25 without tax, but either way, that's a little bit expensive for a skin tint. I mean, Fenty is by no means cheap, but I think I'm gonna put like this much. It's a skin tint, so maybe I'll go back in for more, but let's just see how this looks. Fenty's obviously a little bit more on the pricier side. Like, I don't know the words, but yeah, the color looks pretty good. They're not the worst. All right, let's buff this in. I'm just gonna be using my beauty blender, the black beauty blender. Let me zoom you in a little more so you can see the deets. Okay, so the redness around my chin went away. It's applying nicely. This mirror's kind of dog water, but I like the way it's applying. It feels nice. Let's see. Let's drag it down. I should have put it directly on my pimples, but we'll see if excess will cover the pimples. Wow. It covered up pretty well. With just the excess, my skin definitely looks clear already. Let's see. It feels a bit oily. That could also just be my lotion underneath, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think that's actually the foundation because nothing's coming on my hand. Like as I'm touching my face, nothing's coming off on my hand, so I think that might just be the lotion. Okay, pretty good. I'm liking the way it's looking. Let me add another couple of drops because I just want a little more coverage. I want to see how much you can build it up. Like, I guess try to cover some of my areas, like there, my chin. She actually blends it in with her hands in the video, so I'm also gonna just probably try that and see. Nice. I feel like you get to take a little more coverage, or you can get a little more coverage when you use your hands to blend it in, as opposed to the beauty blender. Because I'm pretty sure this formula is definitely on the more watery side. So with the sponge, it might be soaking in some of the product. So I'll just use my fingers like she did. Somebody playing their music outside, I guess. Wow, the pimple's like pretty much covered. Like definitely more blended into my skin. Nice. I see a little bit of dryness around my nose. Let's see, can I buff that out? No, it's a little creasy and dry on my nose. But I mean, my nose is kind of dry anyway, so it looks really good though. Like from this angle, my pimples look like non-existent. Before, they definitely were a lot more prominent. It feels really nice on my face. The redness here is still peeking through a bit, but I mean, she said she wants your skin to still peek through. Like, it's not something full coverage, and I'm pretty sure you could get more coverage if you put more, but for me, I just kind of want a light wash. I mean, I don't really wear foundation anyway, so this is perfect for me, for somebody like me. And the lady did a good match at Sephora. Yeah, I like it. I don't really feel much on my skin. I don't really think I'm transferring anything on my hands either. I mean, my fingers, I just blended it in, and there's nothing. So wow, Fenty. This might be my new foundation, because like I said, I don't really wear foundation. The only foundation I do wear is Fenty's foundation, soft blur foundation. So this new Eaze Drop Skin Tint is definitely doing some work. It's doing its job. Looks super natural. I don't really like the fake look that foundation gives me, so I'm really loving this formula. Actually, it's super natural. Like, it literally looks like my skin. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup. Like, look at this. There's definitely makeup there, but it looks just like my skin, but better. I'm really loving the way this is looking. It literally covered my pimples to the best of its abilities, and I'm not mad about it because it looks really good. It still has a little bit of dew. It's not super matte or anything, so if you have dry skin, don't worry about it. It's a really nice consistency. I think that you would like it even if you have dry skin and oily skin. I think you would definitely love this because the formula is just so lightweight. You don't really feel like anything's on your face. I will check back in with y'all in about, I don't know, 4 hours, 3 hours. It's already 5:11 p.m. I'm doing this video kind of late. My apologies. So I won't be testing this foundation for too long. This is something for casual wear anyway. It's not something that's probably meant to last hours and hours. At least it doesn't claim anything like that. So it's definitely more, it's just a skin tint, okay? Let us read some of the descriptions about this foundation, or the skin tint, sorry. Let's read some things about the skin tint so that you can see what this claims, okay? We're looking for the claims here. A lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred, smooth, and flexible shades for all. Coverage, light, okay? It claims to be light coverage off the bat. finish, natural. It's a very natural finish. I agree with that. It honestly looks like my skin. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing any makeup. Plus 10 out of 10. Liquid formula, free of parabens, phthalates. It's also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Awesome. This is an easy to apply, flexible skin tint Rihanna wanted to create. It quickly and visibly evens out your complexion with a blurred effect. The Hydra Blend Complex and Humidity Sweat and transfer resistant formula has a smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare. That is so true. It says sweat and transfer resistant. Ooh, okay, so I'm really excited to see how this holds up. Probably even take a nap with this on, so we're gonna really test this out. I will see you in a bit. Hey everybody, so it is now evening. The lashes are gone. I couldn't do it anymore. It is 9:41. Okay, so let us see. Let us look at these deets. The skin tint did really well. I think it's still on my skin because I have redness like right here, and I also have pimples. So the fact that they're kind of disappeared or a little bit hidden means that the foundation has still held up. So it's been about 4 hours since I put it on, and the fact that it's a skin tint and that it still has this amount of coverage is amazing. This little guy is honestly gonna be my go-to skin tint. I'm honestly gonna be wearing this a lot just because I love the color, I love the formula, I like the lasting power. It's looking pretty good. My skin still looks like my natural skin, but it definitely has some coverage and it looks a lot more flawless. My skin definitely looks blurred like it claims. It doesn't look cakey at all, and I've definitely been like scratching my nose, like my face, so I thought it would be like gone by now, but it's not. It's still in place, so that's a plus. I think that you would really like it, so go ahead and check this Fenty skin tint out. Just go buy it. I'm pretty sure you will like it. If this sounds like something you would like, I'm perfect for people who don't really like to wear a lot of makeup or don't like to wear foundation, but they want something, they want that oomph. This is definitely for you. Thank you so much, Rihanna. You killed it. Her makeup is amazing. I love Fenty. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. This gets my stamp of approval. A big thumbs up for this, a big heart. Some of her best work. Honestly, she hit a home run with this one. She hit it out the park. I love it, and I can't say enough good things about it. The only con is that I wish it was bigger. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching this review. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more videos from me. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It does help the content circulate here on YouTube. So I would really appreciate that. And leave a comment down below if you want to leave a request, or if you just want to leave your thoughts about the Fenty foundation. Do you want to try this foundation? Do you like Fenty? Sorry, skin tint. I keep calling it foundation. Do you like skin tints? Do you want to try out this Fenty skin tint? What did you think about the way it looks on my skin? So just leave any comments down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.